Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hello everyone, it's Z6, your underpaid undertrained mechanic. And today, we're going to be showing you how to change the battery on a Jeep style remote. This one's for my Grand Cherokee with remote start. And I'm sure it crosses over the other ones. First thing first, we're going to take the spare key out. Now, you don't need to have a little flathead, but it sure makes your life easier. You just kind of want to pry the casing open. Not super duper hard. So I recently had to change mine out. And I'll be back here again soon enough. And now once you get it over here, what's really nice is you can get this and just pull this apart. Alright, so there's your battery. There's your key, your electronic port. Alright, so your battery, just kind of pull it out. And it is a CR2023. And it goes back down. This is the provides power side. This is the does nothing. But you need to have it like this. And then you just get this all clipped together. Put your key back in here. And she's good to go. Well, it's been Z66. I hope this is helpful. You have a good one. Bye-bye. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, underinsured, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.